All right guys, here's our sport unit. It's our latest version. A lot of people were asking for something a little bit smaller. They don't necessarily need it all the time, but this is great for homeowners. If you're hauling a mower around occasionally, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, golf carts, it's great for that. So a couple key features here. Number one, the way it attaches to the hitch down here, there's actually a weldment that goes around the hitch pin. When you tighten down this bolt, it'll actually wedge the hitch into your receiver, so that way you get a lot less slop. You may want to check that, especially at first, but maybe once or twice a month if you're leaving it on your truck, make sure it stays tight and doesn't wobble on you. We also have the bumper supports on the side to keep the wobble down. So I'll show you how this ramp works. It's pretty simple. We do have a spot for a padlock if you want to put a padlock in it. But to operate it, you just push it straight down like this, and then you pull it straight back towards you. So we've got gas assist springs on the side, which allows it to be really lightweight. Barely takes any effort at all. So when you go to lift it up, it kind of takes a little bit of getting used to. I like to flick it like this a little bit and then just walk it up. But what you'll notice is the latch is automatically locked back into place. So it's trouble-free and saves you time. So it's 51.5 inches from inside to inside of these dovetail panels. So you can fit a 48-inch up there with no problem. If you need to take these panels off and load something wider, like a narrow side-by-side or something like that, you can do that. They're temporarily or permanently removable. We just like them on there so that way gas cans and trash don't fall out of your bed. So it's actually going to give you the same angle of attack that the Extreme Series will, because you've got two 4-foot ramp sections and a 1-foot curved dovetail. With the Extreme Series, you have a 6-foot straight ramp and a 3-foot curved dovetail. Check us out at theramprack.com. Thanks, guys.